Hi, it's Nina. Hello and welcome again on our channel. And in today's video, we're going to talk about how to fix YouTube is not working on Wi-Fi. So let's get started. Well, if you're trying to watch videos on YouTube but the Wi-Fi is not working, here the first thing we're going to do to fix this problem is to swipe from the right corner of your screen and then toggle off the Wi-Fi and turn off your mobile data, because sometimes the Wi-Fi might be very slow and your cellular data be faster. So try this method first, and if it doesn't work, here what we're gonna do, we're gonna go to our settings, scroll all the way down, and tap on apps option. Now choose the second option, manage apps, and here scroll all the way down and look for YouTube. So tap on it, and now tap on clear data, then clear cache, and confirm. So this is kind of delete if there's any bugs in the app, and that should fix your problem. And this is it. Thanks for watching. See ya.